So now let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm a brother in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. Let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than I would. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life than I would.
Sunset slow, hey, you know you should stay for the night. What you think? One more drink while we sit by the bonfire. 'Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, 'cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go! paradise. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without you.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna edit a couple more shots from this shoot with Rosina, and let's get started. I'm using the VSCO and I'm gonna use the E5 for this one so that it has some faded tone for this. And this one, the weather was a little bit smoky that day because of the California wildfire, but a little bit of the sunlight hitting on the face with the even lighting, so it has an even lighting on the sky. So it can be moody faded tone. We can do it like that, just like moody faded tone. Slightly adjust the horizontal in the back just for the reference. So, and you can make it even more faded, like E5 about 80%, and then like that. So we can change save to the camera roll. So once we save the camera roll, let's do another one. So this one, because it's similar to this, and then I'm gonna copy the edit and then paste the edit right here. So, and then I'm gonna do the adjustment of the rotation a little bit, because the back horizontal lights, the lines had to be horizontal just to make it align. So, and then slightly adjust the framing like that. So you get more space of the head in the top, so that looking down as a framing. So I'm gonna copy the edit and then do the paste right here. So it's similar like sunset style, very warm tone with the open field of the golden grass in the back. So slightly adjust the back a little bit for the rotation. Okay, so that's before and after. So saved it, and then I'm gonna do a couple more of the bokeh next. So this is the bokeh with the 85 Zeiss Batis 1.8. So slightly adjust the contrast and the highlight save, slightly sharpen it a little bit, and then let's choose the that's too dark, so let's do E5 for the consistency. Slightly adjust this one, highlights, and then 4x5 crop for Instagram, slightly rotate like this. Okay, so saved it. just slightly adjust the top crop. And then the next one is similar, so I'm gonna just paste edit. Let's see, so we can adjust the exposure based on if it's too bright or too dark. You can slightly adjust the 4:5 crop and rotation next. And you can see that the bokeh is pretty nice for the Zeiss 85mm F1.8 lens. So that's before and after. Very small changes, not too big of the edit. And the next three, I'm gonna just paste it like that because they are in the same location. So, and I'm gonna adjust this one, slightly adjust the rotation a little bit, and then save this one. And then the next one, so I might need to be a little bit lighter for the exposure, so maybe just -0.1 for this, slightly down a little bit so it's evenly throughout the crop. And sometimes the person, you can slightly offset to the right, and you don't have to completely accurate to the 1/3 area, but it's around the area is fine. So you don't have to be exactly the right crop, because sometimes you can be different cropping based on different street and different line leading lines to the portrait. So let me edit this and then save to the camera roll. So, and then the next two is also the bokeh style, so let me do the 4:5 crop for this one because there's a lot of headroom in here, so I'm going to crop it to be more concentrated in here. The right hand side slightly reduce more room for this, and then slightly like that. Okay, so that's good, and then save it, and then the next one I'm gonna copy and then do a 4:5 crop for this also. So after the save, and then the last three shots are in a similar location. The HP2 is too dark in these cases, and then I'm just gonna do the E5 to be consistent, because the smoke in the sky, the sunlight, you can see that it is more orange, but that's fine. And we can do the 4:5 crop right here. Okay, so saved it. And then the next two, I'm gonna use same tone, so copy and paste it. This might be a little bit too bright. We can just reduce back to the +0.1, and then slightly adjust the cropping right here, and then save it. And then the last one, the last photo, and then let's do a crop and then slightly rotate, because the overall expression is very nice already, so we just need to slightly rotate to align the lines in the back, and the bokeh is pretty good, smooth as well. So okay, yeah, that's it. These are the edits for today, and these are just a couple quick edits from the editing from these shoots. And thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.